So why write
So another question. As you'll be reading, you'll be able to formulate a formula. It is given that W varies directly as the square of x. It means x squared, right? And inversely is this, right? Inverse as 1. Look at this. You see? It is given that W varies directly as the square of x and inversely as 1. So there are times whereby they will start with inversely directly. Please, it means this one will come first, this one later. Though in the actual sense, even if you swap them, they will be the same because the multiplication is commutative. You can exchange them, the answer will be the same one. So next step, we introduce equal sign and k. It will mean this. It will mean k times x squared times 1 over y. See that? Move on. So next step, you are aware that k times x squared times 1, it will be, what will be the answer? K times x squared times 1.
Kx.
It will be kx squared. It means y will be down here. There are people who make mistakes. They even do k times the denominator. You don't do that because here if you want, same one's over 1, right? So whatever is on top, multiply them. Even those down also multiply them. This is why we just multiply them that way. So next step, question A, they are saying, write an expression for W in terms of x, y, and a constant k. Now, have you seen that from the beginning, we were not given any value to replace? So it means this question is done. We are done. From the beginning, there is no number that we have been given up to question A. So why should we replace an A? You can't. So you leave it like this. Yeah. See that? This is A. See that? Because if you had any figure, we are going to replace it. Now we don't have anything. So we end here as well. We go for B. B, if x is equal to -6 and y is equal to 12 and W is equal to 15, find K. So get this one. W is equal to, we know K is known. Oh, have we found K? Not yet, right? Not yet. So now we need to replace. We're going to rewrite this formula, this equation. We replace. Where there's x, we put -6. Where there's y, we put 12. Where there's W, we put 15. Let's do it. So W is 15, right? K we don't know. X is -6, right? -6. So there's a square. You show it. What about the value of what? We are on B now. We are on B, right? We are on B. X is -6. We have replaced. Y is 12. Y is 12. We have replaced. Also, W is 15. We have done it in that way. Right? Next step is a matter of simplifying. We need to simplify further. So 15 is equal to, what's -6 squared? 36. It means -6 times -6. 36 positive 36. And that 36 times k, if you have to multiply, you will get 36k. Yes, so it will be 36k over 12. Right? It's 6k over 12. Next step. Sometimes don't rush into cross multiplying, right? Try to see if that denominator can go into the numerator. Can 12 go into 36? You know, if we were to multiply, yes, the answer will be the same, but the figure will be too big for you to be able to deal with it. It will be too big. So better you try to divide, see if it can go. So 12 into 36 goes how many times? 3. So it means you have 3k here, right? And next step, we make k the subject, meaning we make k remain alone. What do we do?
3.
We divide both sides by a 3. We don't want a 3 here. So this side, right? Cancel. The 3 into 3 goes here, k. So k remains 3 to 15. 3 to 15. 5. Yes, 5. That's all. That's a value of k. You see, and it comes with good marks in this question. About 5, right? In total.
You can talk to them, just increase it.
Increasing. It's a very flexible question. We move on to C, right? We move on to C. C. Oh, sorry. C. So you can go back. You can get this. Right? So W is equal to K is known. K is 5. So we write like that. Over 1. We call this formula. It is also called the formula. There are times where they will say, what is the formula? Just know a formula, it looks like this with a K, with a known value of K. Right? So look at question C. Find the value of y when x is 8 and w is 20. So let us replace. Where there's w, put 20 is equal to 5. What about x?
8.
X is 8. So the square here, you also do like that. Over. What's the value of y? Y is the one they want us to find. That we were not given. They want us to find the value of y. We were not given. So it is just y. Next step. Don't rush here. Don't rush into multiplying. Don't do 5 times 8. Don't. First of all, deal with 8 and the power. Deal with 8 and the power. So still write this. So what's 8 squared?
64.
64 over y. Next step, we multiply 5 times 64. So you know in step 1, you are not required to use a calculator. So you can just do this manually. 64 times 5, right? 5 times 4, so 0 carry 2. 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus 2,
32.
So it means we have 320. So we have 320 here over y. What do you think you should do next? You cross multiply. You do here, you put 1, then you cross multiply. You can start from any diagonal, but I recommend you start with the where there is y, which is our target. Right? So 20 times y.
21.
20y. 1 times 320. 320. Make y the subject. Make y the subject of the formula. Make it remain alone.
20.
So over, you divide both sides. Over 20, over 20. Cancel. This one goes, so you cancel. It goes just once. Now here, don't stress into trying to divide the way it looks like. It is very big. So you can see a 0 at the end and the 0 at the end, you cancel it. You see that? So you realize that the 2 has remained and the 2 down there. Right? There is simple now. What's 2 into 32?
16.
See? That's a value of y. If you have any question, can you ask?